Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. Welcome to the fifth series of multiple choice questions related to Food Safety Officer exam preparation. Actually, natural mineral water are packed in sterile containers. Vanaspati means any refined edible oils or oils subjected to the process of hydrogenation. Interesterification of edible fatty material will change the physical property such as viscosity, specific gravity, and melting point. Glutein or oryzanin is the principal protein of rice. The rice protein is richer in arginine amino acid. The frozen dessert may contain vegetable oil and fats with a melting point less than 37 degrees centigrade, vegetable protein products, milk and milk products. The polished rice is poor in calcium and iron. A license of the FBO may be suspended by designated officer if he failed to comply with the improvement notice. The activity of alpha amylase in fresh rice is probably responsible for its sticky consistency after cooking. For checking the misuse of non-edible ice as edible ice, it is required to add the color indigo carmine. The pigments of colored rice are anthocyanins and carotenoids. Gluten is a combination of wheat proteins on kneading, which is used in the preparation of bread. It is also called as vapor phase chromatography, that is, gas liquid chromatography is also called vapor phase chromatography. As compared to thin layer chromatography, high performance thin layer chromatography have slightly thinner than conventional TLC. They have a smaller grain size, and the separation is also better with the HPTLC. The value to determine the water insoluble fatty acids present in fat is called Polensky value. The BR reading for detection of foreign fats oil in milk means butyro-refractometer reading. In urease enzyme test for detection of urea in milk, the indicator is phenol red. The South Indian breakfast food upma is made from semolina, and that is called, usually they call it as rava. Spoilage of foods may be due to insects, physical changes, growth and activities of microbes. Streptococcus lactis does not change the color of the milk. Meat, fish, etc. are grouped under low acid foods. Enamel coating in cans contains zinc oxide, cannot be used to store meat. The fungus known as bread mold is Rhizopus. Red pigment on spoiled food is caused by Serratia. The rapid slowing of chemical and enzymatic reactions in foods is achieved by quick freezing. Easily subjected to deterioration is raw cane juice. Coliform bacteria are present in fresh fruit juice as well as frozen fruit juice. Packaging films for meat with poor gas penetrations encourage the growth of lactic acid bacteria. Germicidal ice means the ice with chemical preservatives. The centrifugal procedure used for removing bacteria from milk is bacterifugation. Spoilage of a drink is evidenced by cloudiness and ropiness. Lactobacilli, bifidobacteria, and Streptococcus thermophili are all harmless probiotics and are correctly used in preparation of during diarrhea. They are all used. Invertase enzymes are used in confectionery industry. The classification of acids and bases based on the Arrhenius theory, it depends upon the ions. Chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, and benzene are aprotic solvents. Parboiling of rice originated in India. The amount of unsaturation present in fats and oil is determined by iodine number. The rancidity of fats oil is due to oxidation. The common tests for rancidity are peroxide value, thiobarbituric acid test, and determination of carbonyl groups. Rendering, pressing, and solvent extraction are the principal methods of extraction of edible fats and oils from animal tissues. Sucrose is a oligosaccharide. You may call it as a disaccharide also. Diastase is not found naturally, but by commercial extract from barley malt it is available. The Molish reaction is the test for identification of carbohydrates. Amino acids in human are the source of proteins. The method for determination of nitrogen in foods is Kjeldahl method. The amphoterism of property of proteins is due to free carboxyl group as well as free amino group. The state of water in lactose monohydrate is water of hydration. For measuring the specific gravity, pycnometer, hydrometer, and Westphal balance all are used. In UV visible spectroscopy, the UV spectrum region ranges from 200 to 350 nanometers. For the visible region, it is 350 to 700 nanometers. The common radiation source for measurement in UV range is deuterium electric discharge lamp. Kindly go through all the series in the Pharma Topics channel related to Food Safety Officer examination. All the best for your exam preparations. Thank you for listening.